Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie. 大家好，我係 Marie. Welcome to the Cantonese whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you will learn to talk about hobbies in Cantonese. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have 釣魚 fishing 釣魚釣魚籃球 basketball 籃球籃球旅行 traveling 旅行旅行游水 swimming 游水游水煮嘢食 cooking 煮嘢食煮嘢食跑步 running 跑步跑步打機 video games 打機打機唱歌 singing 唱歌唱歌跳舞 dancing 跳舞跳舞Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the vocabulary. Find what the hobby is and see how it's used in the dialogue. 你有咩嗜好？你有咩嗜好？ What's your hobby? 我嘅嗜好係釣魚。我嘅嗜好係釣魚。My hobby is fishing. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. 我嘅嗜好係 hobby. 我嘅嗜好係 hobby. My hobby is hobby. Now let's look at some speaking examples. 我嘅嗜好係游水。我嘅嗜好係游水。My hobby is swimming. 我嘅嗜好係煮嘢食。我嘅嗜好係煮嘢食。My hobby is cooking. While not a hobby in the traditional sense like playing a sport or an instrument, 打邊爐 is a beloved pastime that highlights the social aspect of hobbies in Cantonese culture. It is an activity that brings people together, much like how certain hobbies are shared and enjoyed in groups. Do you remember how to say fishing? 釣魚釣魚 and how to say basketball. 籃球籃球 Do you remember how to say traveling? 旅行旅行 Do you remember how to say swimming? 游水游水 Do you remember how to say cooking? 煮嘢食煮嘢食 Do you remember how to say running? 跑步跑步 Do you remember how to say video games? 打機打機 Do you remember how to say singing? 唱歌唱歌 Do you remember how to say dancing? 跳舞跳舞 Do you remember how to say my hobby? 我嘅嗜好我嘅嗜好 And how to say my hobby is cooking. 我嘅嗜好係煮嘢食我嘅嗜好係煮嘢食 In this lesson, you learned to talk about your hobbies in Cantonese. Thanks for watching. I'm Marie, and I will see you on CantoneseClass101.com. 再見!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.